Greetings, greetings, greetings. So, Jesus run enough demon out of one man. And the people them tell Jesus, saying for go away. You ever wonder why? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 8 from verse 26 to verse 39. Them sail go to the country where the Gerasene people them live, where they cross from Galilee. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man from the town come up to him. The man did have a demon. For one long time, him did a walk naked and never did live in a house. A burying ground, him did live. When the man spot Jesus, him bawl out and drop himself in front of Jesus. Him shout out pan top of him voice. Left with no Jesus, the most high God pick me. Do me I beg you, don't make me suffer. Him said that cause Jesus did start to tell the demon to come out of him. Whole heap of time, the demon did take him over. So people used to chain up his hand and foot them and guard him. But he would have broke out and chain them. And the demon would have carry him go which part nobody know there. So Jesus asked him, say, where your name? Him answer back, whole heap, a so name. Him say a so name, cause enough demon did go in him. The demon them did a beg Jesus. Nothing tell them to go down at the demon prison. The pit where no bottom. No, one whole heap of ag did a yam on the hillside. The demon them beg Jesus to make them go in at the ag them. Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go in at the ag them. And the whole of the ag them take off down the steep hillside, go straight in a lake and drown. When the man them will look after ag them, see what happen. Them run go spread the news in a town and the place them where they near the town too. So the people them go for see what did happen. When them reach which part Jesus did they, them see the man where Jesus run the demon them out. Him did a sit down at Jesus' foot. Him did have on clothes and in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happen, tell the other people them how Jesus make the man where did having demon get better. Then all of the Gerasenes people them and everybody will live near them did well afraid. So them asked Jesus to left them area. Jesus go in a boat and go away. When Jesus did a left, the man when run the demon them out, I did a beg to go with him. But Jesus sent him away and say, go in your yard, go tell everybody all our God do for you. The man left, go spread the news all over the town and tell them all what Jesus do for him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.